Do you think AI engineers only need coding? But what if I tell you behind ChatGPT, machine learning, neural networks, recommendation systems, and modern AI, there is mathematics everywhere. And the biggest reason many people struggle in AI is not programming, it is mathematics. But don't worry, in this playlist, we are going to learn mathematics for AI engineers from absolute beginner to advanced level in simplest and most practical way possible. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel WishInfinite. And this is going to be complete mathematics for AI engineering playlist, where we will learn all the important mathematics required for machine learning, deep learning, data science, generative AI, LLMs, and modern AI engineering. Here we will talk about mathematical foundations to build strong fundamentals from basic mathematics. It is used in binary systems, AI calculations, and mathematical thinking. And then we will talk about functions and graphs to understand equations, graphs, and AI intuition visually, which is used in linear regression, neural networks, and ML visualization. Then we will jump on to linear algebra to learn vectors, matrices, eigenvalues, PCA, and embeddings, which is used in neural networks, LLMs, semantic search, and computer vision. Then we will learn probability and statistics to master probability, distributions, variance, and AI predictions, which is used in AI predictions, ML models, NLP, and recommendation systems. Then we will talk about calculus to understand derivatives, gradients, optimization, and backpropagation, which is used in backpropagation, deep learning, and AI model training. We will also talk about optimization to learn gradient descent, loss function, and AI model training, which is used in gradient descent, loss minimization, and neural network learning. If you are not getting all these words, so don't worry, right? On the go, you will get to know about all these things. Then we will learn information theory to understand entropy, cross entropy, and LLM mathematics, which is used in LLMs, token prediction, NLP, and generative AI. Then we will talk about modern AI mathematics to learn embeddings, cosine similarity, transformers, and attention mechanisms, which is used in ChatGPT, RAG systems, vector databases, and modern AI systems. And at the end, we will learn practical AI math with Python to visualize mathematics using NumPy and Matplotlib, which we will be using in real-time projects, ML implementation, and visualization. And for now, I've given you a high-level overview of all that topics. Apart from that, we are going to learn many more concepts in this course. Now let's talk about perks of this playlist. So whether you are a student, developer, QA engineer, or complete beginner in AI, this course is designed for everyone. We will start from zero and learn mathematics in simple and practical way. Every topic includes structured explanation and revision-friendly notes. I will provide notes document for everyone. We will do short recaps to quickly revise important concepts at the end of each video. So stick with me till end of every video. We will learn AI and machine learning interview-focused mathematics concepts as well. I will be providing assignments and practical exercises for better understanding. All code examples, notebooks, and practice files will be available in one Git repository. For that, you can go to my GitHub profile and there you will be able to find related Git repository. I will also create quick refresher shorts for every concept. For that, you can go to my channel WishInfinite and there under playlist section, you would be able to see this one main mathematics playlist where you would be able to find detailed video. Apart from that, you would also be able to see one more mathematics shorts playlist. You can visit this particular playlist where you would be able to find different shorts for different topics. Here you can ask your doubts anytime in any language. And guys, even if you have very basic doubt or question, don't hesitate to ask your question. No one is going to judge you. Just post your question under the YouTube comment section of the related video. If possible, post it with the timestamp and I should be able to answer it. Usually I reply to each and every YouTube comment. And guys, under the comment section, if you see any question and if you know the answer, I would request you to share it with everyone there. And apart from that, if you have any feedback, good or bad, feel free to share it. And like this, you will be able to learn together with growing AI learning community. You can also use YouTube community section to initiate any discussion. Apart from that, we are going to have live Q&A sessions, quizzes, and interactive discussions. So this is going to be all-in-one learning for you. Theory, coding, visualization, and real AI applications together in one playlist. And guys, you can support my YouTube channel. For that, you can go to my channel WishInfinite and then click onto this join button. Here you can select the desired option to become a channel member. You can unlock exclusive perks while helping the channel grow. Your support means a lot. And a big thank you to everyone who has taken channel membership. Members can see their YouTube profile picture featured randomly on channel homepage here. And guys, members will get early access to upcoming videos before public release. So by the end of this playlist, you will not just memorize formulas. You will actually understand why AI uses mathematics, how machine learning models learn, how neural networks work, and how modern AI applications like ChatGPT operate mathematically behind the scenes. So if you are serious about becoming an AI engineer, this playlist is going to help you build one of the strongest foundation in AI. So for that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, join the journey and let's start learning mathematics for AI engineers together. And now you can click onto this first card to go to the next video. You can click onto this second card to access this whole mathematics for AI engineers playlist. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.